Have a cough? You may want to take this. MedifulCQ, the cure-all medicine. Now I'm going to tell you about some side effects. But by putting on this lab coat, I will evoke a sense of instant trust. Pay no attention to the disclaimer at the bottom of the screen. MedifulCQ may cause a loss of appetite and/or weight loss. It should not be used as a diet pill alternative, as these results are not guaranteed. Now I'm about to get a little more serious. Let's focus in on this family playing the piano. Additional side effects include fast pounding or uneven heartbeats, headache or dizziness, dry mouth, or an unpleasant taste in your mouth. Now pay attention to this sailboat. You may experience tremor, restlessness, hallucinations, unusual behavior, or motor tics. Look at this wonderful family hiking. More serious risks include increased blood pressure, severe headache, blurred vision, trouble concentrating, chest pain, numbness, and/or seizure. Now count the number of steps this woman takes in the sand. In some cases, death has been reported after taking MedifulCQ. If any of these effects persist or worsen, notify your doctor promptly. Look at this cute little puppy. MedifulCQ is not intended for all patients. Be sure to consult with your doctor to make sure MedifulCQ is right for you. So the next time you experience a cough, ask for MedifulCQ.